Hey guys, I'm Shiv from Welcome back to my new video on Oppo Find X2. Surprisingly, yesterday live image of Oppo Find X2 spotted on Twitter. However, today I hand Oppo Find X2 Pro specs sheet leaks on /leaks website. Oppo Find X2 Pro comes with a 6.7-inch QHD resolution display with a native 120Hz refresh rate and likely to support 240Hz touch sampling rate. On the back, the phone has also confirmed to have a 48-megapixel Sony IMX689 main camera and a IMX586 on its ultra-wide angle. Finally, there is a 13-megapixel Samsung isosceles snapper with 5x hybrid zoom with a periscope module. On the front, a 32-megapixel selfie snapper that's sitting on the punch hole instead of the fancy motorized setup on original FindX. The phone runs on the Android 10 and ColorOS 7.1 on the top. The Oppo Find X2 Pro comes with a 4260 mAh battery capacity, which can support 30-watt fast wireless charging and 65-watt normal charging. Besides, the phone has to support the next generation 5G network. Under the hood, the smartphone supports the latest flagship Snapdragon 865 processor. Apart from the Oppo Find X2 Pro, standard Oppo Find X2 also uses the same Snapdragon 865 processor, periscope zoom, but will have a 4065 mAh battery. At last, the Oppo Find X2 series will be launched on March 6. Earlier, the MWC event was cancelled due to the coronavirus outbreak. So let me know your thoughts about the Oppo Find X2 in the comment box. I will share a new video tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about the Oppo phones, and also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching it. I'm Ashkar from #.